Hello, I want to show you today how you can find our course surveys inside of Canvas and add them to your class. So what you're going to do is go to Canvas, woostel.instructure.com. You should land here on your dashboard. And these are located like the rest of our template pieces inside of Canvas Commons. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Canvas Commons here on the side. And this is the Canvas Commons homepage. The easiest way to find this is going to be putting in a tag, and you can put in Woostel, for instance, and you're going to see a bunch of stuff that comes up for Woostel, and then you're going to look for our mid-course survey. And so I can see that that's right here. Another thing you can put in too is Olin or Olin CDE. And here you're going to see all of our template pieces. Again, our mid-course survey is right here. And so you can click on that. And then you can take a peek at what is inside of this survey. And then if you want to add it to your class, you're going to come over here and click import or download. You will click the courses that you're interested in adding it to, and then you will just say import into course. This is going to show up in your quiz area of your class, so under quizzes. And from there, you can either add it into your modules or you can direct students to the quizzes area to take the survey.